Oimore nyakorom gajuanga en gino mane rio makare tarika parne dwe mara uchiel ganario pario kod ang'wen odhiambo bende waikoni mathoth kabende mathoth osetimore pacho kae kotiyo koda katwak mag chik mag osuru kachiel kod pek mar ngima oganda medo golo pachi koni gi koni bende wang'eyo ni mago motendre kod yiero maduond bura mar UDA e boma kata kaunti ma Homa Bay mabende notim odiochiengni ma kawuono nyakorom gajuang bethuru mar go kod mbaka wantiere lai mar oti machokari ade kod nono kapende wantiere kacha e Facebook Ramogi TV apika bethuru mar go kod mbaka chenro mar Oimore wachaki mago mami opeko dia makawuono.
The total amount for the 2 years that you have not had access to 1 billion Kenya shillings.
Kenya machono Uhuru Kenyatta ogolo serikal odi omenda madhi
no yudoreni manodhi na jacket ne ndiye to ruako
jolupo ariyo prima mamoka uchielo resi bili loko gienam e sub county masame e county
including the criminal capability on their part for forging official documents.
Piny owacho ma Migori ochako apedha ne jotije ma ichiche eni kod oboke mabandi ya mag somo apedha mageto jotije 200 nyakorom gajuang nyinga Lydia Kokeyo. Apis jatend piny Kenya machon Uhuru Kenyatta ogolo kawacho ni piny owacho osetimchiwo omenda kaluwore gi chike mathoth kaka nyamburko mowinjo bed ni ichiwo ok ochiw wetelo. Mawacho gi wache apis jatend piny machon Kanzedena e report makwedo weche moko manowachi gi jawache lo piny owacho Isaac Mwaura kaolie kone sirikal osechiwo apisi mantiere kod gi apis duto iye gino wacho ni okadieri. Kaluwore gi report jawache lo piny owacho Isaac Mwaura tarik 31 dwe mar abich higani jawache apis jatend piny machon Kanzedena okwedo weche moko manolik gi Mwaura ni Uhuru Kenyatta ntiere kod apis man kod gi apis iye ma ochiw gi sirikal.
Good afternoon.
Kanze wacho ni mano en miriambo kaluwore ni piny owacho ne chuno Uhuru gi apis manyari mano oyier gi Mwai Kibaki gi dwaro mare. Uhuru bende yiero ohero kata kamano piny owacho odagi chiwo omenda mar apis no.
It is public knowledge that State House has been very clear on the position of office in Nyari as the only office that the president should use based on the fact that the office is by government. The office was selected by the late former president Mwai Kibaki, suitable for himself. So the statement that the former president enjoys a fully furnished and maintained office of his choice provided by government is incorrect. The offices that we use are currently on that side where you've just said those used to be actually some quarters that urgently so that the office can be able to be in use.
Leo ni piny owacho kod go Uhuru Kenyatta maromo siling mana chul kuom higni kaka tija pino bende pok osachgi.
We would also like to distance ourselves from estimates tabled in Parliament. Our position is that we had no input on the budget estimates that informed the allocation of 450 million shillings that Treasury projects to allocate the office of the third retired president in the coming year of 2025-2026. The lack of access to our rightful budget allocation has forced the former president, Uhuru Kenyatta, to run the office from his pocket, paying for all the bills. The late President Daniel Arap Moi and the late President Mwai Kibaki were allocated and maintained more than double the number of years allocated to the third retired president. The fuel cards were given, however, they were cancelled and blocked by since March 2023.
Jotije kod jochiwari ya pise machano osebedo tije yor simo geno kema pachuka kaurak jotije ariyo ma yene jatend piny kod bed yode olero ne gisendiko barupe ne sirikal to onge duoko ma giseyudo.
The office still awaits the confirmation and militantly refuse to renew the contract of staff members. The administrator, Mr. George Karaoke, and Mrs. Kanthe Dena Mararo, who is the Director Communication. There is also the issue of unceremonious withdrawal and intimidation of staff via phone calls at midnight.
Jorit Mama Ngina Kenyatta machiko yene bedo godo kaka min ojetan piny machon bende ne higa mokalo dwe mar ariyo nyaka jotim bende ne sirkal osebedo karibo ni jotije noduoki.
In her capacity as a former First Lady and surviving spouse of the late President Jomo Kenyatta, is entitled to benefits amounting to 50% of her husband's pension. The 3 Range Rovers that Her Excellency Mama Ngina Kenyatta has in her possession were allocated to her by Daniel Arap Moi and the late President Mwai Kibaki during their respective tenures, and replaced accordingly after every 3 years, that is. Now, clearly, the government say that they gave her the cars, but clearly the government of the day has not provided her with any vehicles. In fact, we would like to clarify that on the 18th of July 2023 at 7 p.m., all her drivers and security detail allocated to her were withdrawn from their residences via phone.
Kata kamano
Mr. Moore stated that the former President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta received a lump sum payment of 48 million shillings as gratuity. I would like to confirm that that is correct, that he did receive the lump sum, but I also want to emphasize that gratuity is an entitlement accorded to every